What's up everyone? Thank you for watching. Thank you for dropping by. And good to see your smiling faces. And today we're gonna do some unboxing. And by the way, Jane Nolasco here. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode is another unboxing wherein I picked this up online orders. And so let's move on and let's go check it out what we got. And so let's start with the smaller box. So as I said, I picked this up online, order online. So I got them on NORDSTROM rack. So they're having also some kind of end of season sale. So when I saw them, they're having some good sale. What do they have? So grab a few. So you cannot pass on those good prices, good saving. So let's move on with the unboxing. There we go. So I believe NORDSTROM rack is on partnership or with a company. How to look? If anyone know about this one, leave a comment. Just leave a comment down below so we are all informed. And you got one shoes right here.
Hold that out of the way.
So we got a typical white Vapor Max. It says Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2. It doesn't say how much it costs in here, but the time I picked them up is somewhere less than 100, I believe, because I wouldn't get them above 100. So let's start. Nike Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2. The retail on this one is 190, and we got the colorway is dark stucco, light and silver. And boom, there we go. A nice colorway, nice combination of the colorway though. It says dark stucco, light and silver. And some kind of green or something, darker green with a little bit blue all around. And then we got a nice swoosh, orange swoosh, and also something goes on the pull tab orange. Not too much orange, not too much, but it will not kind of boring color because you're not gonna have that much. It's not too much bright, but looks like it's gonna be a good one for season of fall, because it's almost time for fall though. But I think it's Flyknit, so it won't be that good because it's gonna be cold. Whoopsie. Okay, nice one on this Nike Vapor Max Flyknit 2. So next up, let's move along to the other boxes. So next one, let's go with the other ones. Let's start with this. So let's start with this one. We got a Nike Air Max 97. There we go. And we got a Nike Air Max 97 RLT. another Air Max 97. And Air Max 97 Air LT. That one. Okay. Same. Doesn't show how much the price is, but let's take that out. Okay, this one is LT, different 97 right there. 97. Alright. Take that out. Okay. Nice packaging though. It's trying to prevent from opening. So nice, good one. Shout out to NORDSTROM for doing those, preventing them to get out of the boxes. So let's start with this one. We got the Nike Air Max 97 RLT, and we got 10.5 in here, and this one is size 9. There you go. Take that out of the box. Ooh. Boom. There you go. Nice. Nice. Same colorway on this one. There we go. So I think it says Air LT. That means a real 3. So because there are some kind of a real 3 design within the shoe. So it's just the basic Air Max 97 all around. Nice. Not too much detail, but it will show up like what kind of design are those. So let me show it closer, right there and there, right there. So oh, nice design. Simple, but turn your head when you saw them on foot. I bet they will turn on foot. I mean, turn head when they're on foot. So we got here, let's say, what's to say the detail? It says black team, orange and black. And the retail on this one is $170. I believe I picked them up somewhere $80 to $95, I believe. That's why I got them somewhere 50%, more than 50%, somewhere 55, somewhere 60-ish percent. The feeling is feels like suede. So this is gonna be a good one for fall again. So it's not actually leather, but it's like suede, different kind of details. And also this one is like feels suede, this one a different one. So they put 3 kind on here, different kinds. It's your typical 97, the air bubble right here, and pads, and right there, I mean the outsole right there. Not bad on this one, not bad. Okay, I think since probably because I haven't had any Air Max 97 in my collection, probably I'm not gonna flip it. And last but not definitely not the least, okay, I believe we have the same one. We got the Nike Air Max 97 Air LT right there. This one is Air Max 98. another Air Max 98. This one is Air Max 97. Alright, take that out of the way. So this one's also Air Max Plus. So we got difference. This one 98, so right there, and this one is the Air Max Real 3. So just the same as the other ones. We got this one is 9.5. There we go. Nice colorway. Whoop. 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 And so let's move on to the other pair. This one is, I got them size 8 though. So Air Max Plus, and black colorway is a black, dark, gray, anthracite. So, ooh, there we go. Nice colorway, and the Air Max 98. Black, not all black though, so it's like not a triple black. I would say not triple black. It's Air Max 97 Plus, and here we go. So there are a little bit different kind of design around it. If you could see, here you go, a better closer look, and there we go. There, and the TN on the back. Another TN on the sole. Also a nice tuned air on the tongue, and a little bit more details all around. There we go. It's a nice printing though, the swoosh, and it's like a shark tooth. I'm not really sure, but it looks like a shark tooth. Probably this is the design that they made a shark tooth or something. Also nice a premium leather right here that go all the way on the back, also on the inner and the outer part before the midsole. So nice Air Max 98 though. I already got me of the Air Max 98 Plus, and with the 98 Vapor Max. So 98 Vapor Max Plus. So this one is not bad at all for the colorway.
Picking up also somewhere $89 or $95 or $98 on this one. Some more one. Let's check out this one. Oh, so we got the Nike Air Max 97. Oh, I believe it's same with the other one. And yeah, same with the other one. It's a different size with the Air Max 97, different colors or Miami colors. Please leave a comment down below. Alright.
Next one, we got the Air Max 98. Air Max 98. This is size 10 and this is size 11. So they are just the same shoes. Tapped it open, both. Same time. Ooh. Boom. 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 Nice. Nice accent of the pink. Huh. I'm speechless, Sunday. Hold on. Alright. Let's see what we got in this Air Max 98. Whoa. Pink. Wow. So I haven't don't have a Air Max 98 in my collection yet. So that is my first impression. Wow. Wow. The pink, it's not that loud for the colorway of the pink. There we go. There you go, and there you go. Wow, that's some kind of design all around. So I'm not really sure how do they create the shoe, what are the inspiration behind the shoe. Please leave a comment down below. But hey, let's see all around. We got some kind of premium synthetic leather right here with some kind of a line in between, if you can see right there. And same goes up with stitching here in the black, a gray or black stitching. Same pattern that it goes like that one all around. There you go. Same kind of pattern, but different kind of color. This one has the pattern of goes line pink. This one is a gray, and the accent of pink all around. It's like, ooh, I'm not sure. Well, I like the design that they did on this side. Also, how do they cut all around? So here you go, the Air Max 98. So it says here the colorway is Gunsmoke Lava Glow. Ooh, that's why it calls Gunsmoke. The color of Gunsmoke, gray and something is, and Lava Glow is the pink and a pop design of pink colorway. So, well, not bad on the design. So I believe I picked this up somewhere $89 to $95, and it doesn't say how much to retail though. But not bad for the 98 Air Max 98 Gunsmoke with a lava glow colorway. Wow. So I hope you enjoy this video. We have a few in here. You got about 6, but different sizes, and this one is really nice and it is a reflective. This one very simple and black. This one is another head turner, and also nice Vapor Max, and also this Real 3, and also this colorway for the women's. Not bad for the price. All of them are about 55 to 60% off. Pick them up from the NORDSTROM end of sale, season end of sale. So what I'm really like is this one and this one. This one is, if you might gonna see it on the camera or the video, it's like a reflective. This one is simple black and a real tree, and you always can't go wrong with the Vapor Max. So this is what I picked up for the end of season sale of the NORDSTROM rack, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, that's a long unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Please leave a comment down below, thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't, and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified the next upcoming video. So that will be all. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Peace.